As a CHRO, you regularly have to make high-stakes decisions backed by data. But when the data is scattered across systems, slow to compile, and hard to validate, every request turns into a high-pressure scramble. You need answers, but what if your tools can't keep up? For example, it's Friday and your worst nightmare has come true. The leadership team wants data on turnover and engagement by the end of the day, which means you have to move fast. First, your team dives into spreadsheets, manually pulling numbers from 5 different systems such as Workday, Greenhouse, Qualtrics, ADP, and Salesforce. Hours pass and the report slowly starts coming together until leadership throws in a last-minute curveball. Can we see this by region with a forecast? Now you're back to square one. You don't have time to rework everything, but you also can't show incomplete or unreliable numbers. So you walk into that end-of-day meeting stressed, hoping no one asks questions you don't have answers for. If this example sounds familiar, then let's imagine a different scenario that has no scrambling and no last-minute stress. Just fast answers at your fingertips. With one model, finally all of your data is centralized in one place, automatically cleaned, validated, and ready to go. Which means no more searching across disconnected systems and no more second-guessing accuracy. Instead, now your team pulls up polished visualizations in just minutes. If you get a request to break it down by region or need to add a forecast, a few clicks and it's done. Best of all, instead of manually wrangling reports for hours, you can deliver the data early, allowing the leadership team to analyze the trends and uncover insights that actually drive action. Now you can walk into that meeting prepared, confident, and ready to have a real conversation about the business, not an embarrassing explanation of why the data is incomplete. One model doesn't just make reporting easier, it transforms how you work. No more wasted hours, no more missed insights, just fast, reliable analytics that fuel smarter decisions. Discover how one model can change the way your team and your data works.